In this lesson, we are going to describe the variation due to genetic factors. Individuals within a population of a species show a wide range of variation in their phenotypes. This variation is due to both genetic and environmental factors. Now, we are going to discuss the variation that is due to genetic factors. Within a population, all the members will have the same genes. However, the genetic differences occur as the members of this population have different alleles of these genes. For example, we have the gene for eye color. However, different individuals will have the different alleles for this eye color. Some will have the alleles that will give the blue color, others will have the alleles that will give the brown color, and others will have the alleles that will give the green color. And this will make the variation. Now the question is, what makes this genetic variation? Well, genetic variation arises as a result of three different things: mutations, meiosis, and random fertilization of gametes. Mutations are the original source of DNA mutations. They occur when the sequence of the DNA is changed and can arise suddenly by errors in DNA replication. Mutations can include the deletion or substitution of individual nucleotides or large sections of DNA. Many mutations are harmful to the organism, but occasionally a new allele could be created will benefit the organism. The other source of variation is meiosis. Meiosis is the special kind of cell division that produces haploid gametes from diploid cells. A crucial part of meiosis is when the homologous chromosomes pair up during prophase 1. When they pair, they also exchange pieces of DNA with each other in a process called crossing over or recombination. This will generate a new opportunity for genetic variation as it results in the shuffling of alleles on each chromosome to create a new combination of genes. And finally, random fertilization of gametes is also a source of genetic variation. Well, in sexual reproduction, this produces a new combination of alleles, and the offspring are therefore different from parents. Which gamete fuses with which at fertilization is a random process. Therefore, this will add up to the variety of offspring that the two parents can produce.